$2.40 per person that you follow on Instagram has led to a total of $142.45 earned so far today. Yesterday I earned $186.13 using emails and the power of CPA marketing. This month so far, $1,742.32. Just to refresh to show you that this is my live MaxBounty dashboard. And there you can see that this is not any kind of screenshot or anything like that, and this is indeed my live dashboard. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? If you're new to the channel, my name is Jay and I'm an online entrepreneur, mentor and software developer from South Africa, and on this channel I'm documenting my daily journey on how to make money online. I'm having tons of giveaways, including the $10 giveaway I'm going to have just in a bit, as well as course giveaways. So what I'm going to do is the link on the pinned comment of this video, I'm going to have a link to a CPA course that you can go and download for free off the Google document drive. And if you saw my previous video, I also had another $10 giveaway, and this person on the screen right here is the winner of that $10 giveaway. I really liked their quote the most, so I decided to choose them as the $10 giveaway. So well done to you guys. All I ask is on the pinned comment of this video, just reply to that comment so I can see your channel, and then from there I will send you your $10. But without further ado, let's hop straight into my PC and get straight into the first step. Alright guys, so we're now inside of my PC, and the first platform that we are going to visit is called MaxBounty.com. Now MaxBounty.com, very similar to that of affiliate marketing. Instead of actually selling something, we need to get people to take an action, and then we're going to get paid for that. For example, there's a lot of websites online today that is having giveaways, sign-ups to their different coupons or bonuses or their product or trials, but the most common one with this kind of thing is definitely giveaway. So there's a lot of companies out there, for example, having a $500 PayPal giveaway, and they will pay you, for example, $1.50 per person that you refer to that giveaway, and that all that person needs to do is enter their email and their username to sign up for the giveaway, and then out of all the emails they collect, they will choose a lucky person to make or to win that $500. But how that company makes money is they collect all these emails, promote them with affiliate links, affiliate offers, or their own products, and they make way beyond $500 in commission, and that's how they're making profit by having this $500 giveaway, building email lists, building an audience, monetizing that, and making big profits. But at the same time, it's a win-win because they're paying us to get leads to their offer, and it's super simple for us to make money online with this. But if you think about this, 20 signups to a free $500 giveaway a day is already nearly $40, just literally free revenue right there. And in order to sign up on MaxBounty, there will be a sign in or a sign up button on the top right. All you need to do is you need to enter quite a bit of information about yourself, like who you are as an affiliate. But there is quite a bit of a sign up process because this platform is quite strict in who they sign up. I actually made an entire video on how to guarantee yourself on getting signed up. So if you want to check that video out, I will leave a link in the description. It will be titled How to Guarantee Yourself to Getting Signed Up to MaxBounty. It will give you the easiest tips and what you need to type in when signing up on MaxBounty. But what I also did was, for the purpose of this video, I also listed another example or a alternative here called CPA Leads, which is the exact same thing, much easier to sign up, not that strict, and you can go and literally find the exact same offers that are on MaxBounty. Once you've signed into your MaxBounty dashboard, it's going to look like this. You need to come over to the Browse tab over here and take, or to the search bar over here, sorry, and then it's going to take you to a tab that looks like this. So take a look at this. There's a whole bunch of offers. For example, these guys are having a $5,000 giveaway and they are paying you $1.60 per lead. These guys are having a $1,000 Visa gift card giveaway and they are paying you $2.40 per person that you get to this giveaway. And here's another one: Apple Watch, iPhone 6, PS4, Xbox One, iPhone 6s, another $500 giveaway. For example, like here's a 1 month free membership at some golf course, it looks like. Here's win a MacBook. But one thing I want you guys to understand, if I open up, for example, let's take this one here, $1,000 Visa gift card. I open this in a new tab. I want you to take a look that the countries allowed is only the United States, and this is a big mistake a lot of people make with CPA marketing, is they forget on how to promote this because maybe most of the traffic doesn't come from the United States, and then no one can actually convert into leads, and they never end up making money online with CPA marketing. But what I'm going to show you is how we can go and target free traffic in the United States and actually go viral, completely viral. And the next step from here is we're going to go and build our tracking link. And after that, the next step is really going to be crucial. So make sure to keep watching so that you don't miss that. Click on build tracking link. Over here, you want to click on contextual. just like this, and then you want to click on text link. This is the link. For example, if I right click copy this, it's then going to take me to this landing page over here where you can go and enter for this $5,000 giveaway. So you can see all you have to do is you got to get someone to enter their email address, claim, confirm their email. Once that's done, MaxBounty is then going to pay you $2.40 per person that you sign up to that giveaway. The next step from here is we're going to come over to Instagram, and we want to start any kind of page. Don't worry, we're not going to focus on growing this page or reposting a whole bunch of content. The whole idea of this is to make our post go viral. So what you want to do is, let's go look for example, something, a suit. Let's go look for a suit, little suit or men's suit, and this is a good example over here. These are posts of male models, obviously in their suits with their ties, their watches. It's a very formal kind of looking page, and this is just a random niche that I chose because what's nice about this giveaway, it can fit any niche. So you can choose any niche that you're passionate about, and what you want to do is you kind of want to go and create a page, sign in on Instagram, create a page in the niche that you've chosen. So obviously if you've chosen, for example, suits, you kind of want to have suit in the name of your name or some name relative to that. And then what you want to do is you want to go and post, let's say 3-4 of these posts over here. Give them credit, tag them, give them credits. You must give credits. You can repost other content on Instagram as long as you give credits. We're not so worried about the engagement or the followers. Then what you want to do is, once you've got this, you want to go post something like this that I created on Canva also onto your feed. So you want to have your $5,000 Visa giveaway competition. I also put like a man in a suit that relates to the suit theme to mark the launch of our brand new page at Suits Item Collectors. We have an awesome competition. You could win a $5,000 Visa gift card via lucky draw. To enter, follow these steps, share this post to your story and feed, tag us, follow at Suit Item Collectors, click on the link in the bio to submit your entry. You must do all of the above to enter. So if you can understand what I've written from here, kind of how this post goes viral by itself and gets people to your link in your bio with virality. So how this works is, let's say one person shares this to their feed and story, then everybody else sees this post. Then what happens is they also want to perhaps enter the $5,000 giveaway. They go and share it on their feeds and stories. All their followers, not all of them, maybe a few of their followers wanting to enter the giveaway, they go and share it on their feed. So it kind of has like a ripple virality effect because the number one step or the first step is sharing it on your story and feed. So that means everybody has to share it in order to enter the giveaway, which is how one person can become 10 people, which can become 100 people, and it just becomes one big ripple effect. So if you want, I will leave a link down below to this document on Canva where there's like a share button where you can go and change this on Canva if you want to, but you can go download this template in the link in the description. I'll leave a link in the description of this video called the templates from this video or something like that. You can go there and download this and use this if you're going to take part in the strategy. But if you also remember, the offer on MaxBounty is only allowed in the United States. So what I had to go and do was to make sure that most of our traffic is in the United States. You can come over to a platform called Influencer Cards. No, we're not going to buy shoutouts from these pages, but take a look at this. We can actually see pages over here, and we can actually see where the majority of the audience is. For example, this fishing page, 63% of the audience is United States. The majority is the United States, which is what we want. Obviously we're not going to find everybody from the States, but as long as the majority is from the United States, that means the majority of those people can sign up, and that means we'll get CPA leads, which means we're going to get money from that. So since we have chosen the suit niche, which has got to do with fashion and I guess maybe luxury and motivation because it is very formal, but let's go fashion and luxury motivation, click on apply filters, and let's see the pages that we can find. So take a look at this. Here's a page with 22% United States. Here's one here, classy woman with 71%. Millions make billions page. Okay, let's see, that's audience is more for India, so you don't want to target that page. Again, India. Here's one with United States. India, we want to find one that has quite a lot in the United States. So I would say this one is a good choice. 7-figure way, 39% United States. Let's scroll up a bit more. Take a look at this one, 28% United States. So this one's not bad. And what you want to do is, let's go choose this one. This one's the best so far with 39% in the fashion niche. We're going to click on their page on Influencer Cart, and we're going to copy their username. We want to come back to Instagram, paste this here, and we want to go and take a look at their page. And then what you want to do is you want to click on their followers, and you want to go, for example, follow, unfollow, plus minus 30 to 40 people every hour or so. If you do more than that, the Instagram algorithm might pick you up as spam and might ban your account. But remember, because the majority of these followers is from the United States, they are allowed to be accepted into our offer, which means MaxBounty will pay us for that, because anyone who's not from the United States won't be allowed to enter that offer. Therefore, MaxBounty can't pay us for that. That's why we need to identify pages with a US majority audience, or wherever your offer's from. So go follow, unfollow 40 people, 20, 30, 40 people every 2 hours or so. Get a couple of followers going. Once you get to 100 or 200 followers, repost that, because then you know the majority of your followers is also going to be United States, and the majority of your followers will also most likely be United States. So what I like about this, you are keeping this within the majority United States, which means most people will get accepted into your CPA program, which is why this type of strategy and analyzing these pages and where the audience comes from can make the difference between succeeding or failing with CPA marketing. But what I'm going to do is, on the screen above, I'm going to leave a link to a playlist called Instagram Marketing, or something about Instagram, where you can go and learn different strategies like this. I'll also leave next to that my CPA playlist, where you can go perhaps combine more Instagram and viral strategies like this with CPA marketing to make money online. So you're welcome to go check out one of these playlists on the screen. I really recommend that. You will learn a lot of high income skills there. But until then, take care, and I'll see you there.